Do you ever feel like you're drowning in busy work and tasks such as emails, scheduling, endless to-dos, and wish that you could keep up? Keep watching because this video will tell you how to use AI to automate all that repetitive stuff, save hours every week, and finally focus on the parts of your business that actually makes a real difference. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools can handle your daily grind so that you can grow and get your time back. Now, before we get started, can I ask one small favor? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get right into it. Now, before we dive in, I've got some free guides to help you start an online business and create new income streams. You can get access to them through the link in the description below. Okay, let's begin with tip number 1, which is to automate your repetitive tasks. Now, let's be real and let's be straight. The small and the repetitive stuff can make running your business feel much more difficult than it needs to be. But the AI can actually take care of most of it for you if you set it up in the right way. Now, you want to start by paying attention and spotting what's stealing most of your time. So you know those tasks that just keep popping up, like replying to similar emails, updating your spreadsheets, and even scheduling the same calls. So you want to go ahead and you want to jot all of them down onto a list, because that list is exactly where the automation can start for you. Now, you want to also let AI help you manage your email inbox as well. So if your email inbox feels really cluttered and you just haven't got much control over it and it's a bit of a mess, you want to try tools like Superhuman, Shortwave, or even Gmail Smart Reply. These are some good options to clean up your inbox. They actually learn your tone and they can even suggest replies. So you can just basically hit send without overthinking every message. Now, you also want to connect your favorite apps so that they can talk to each other as well. This is really going to help you. So think about how many times you just copy data between different platforms. Now, with Zapier or Make.com, you can actually link them all up, so that when someone fills out a form, the AI can automatically add them to your CRM, your autoresponder, and it actually sends a welcome email for you automatically. Now, you can also let AI manage your schedule for you. I like tools like Calendly, Motion, or Reclaim AI because they can handle the bookings, they can send reminders, and they can even move meetings around when plans actually change. You'll stop double booking yourself and still look much more organized. So you want to use tools like Calendly, Motion, or Reclaim. Now, you can use AI to handle the repetitive writing as well. So you know those messages that you send all the time, like proposals, updates, and even thank you messages. You can just type them once into ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, and then just save them using Text Blaze. And you'll be sending polished replies in just a few minutes. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to clean up your files automatically as well using AI. So if your Google Drive or your Dropbox is one big mess or it's just not very organized, you can use Clean Drive or Gemini for Google Workspace to actually organize, to label, and delete any duplicates that you may have. You'll finally stop wasting time searching for different files. Now, you can also automate the really boring data entry stuff as well. This is a good idea. So if you're still copying numbers from emails into sheets and things like this, you'll love Airtable automations or Google Sheets AI add-ons. These are some really useful AI tools that I recommend you check out. They basically update your data in real time, so there's no more typos and no more manual updates. Now, I recommend that you check in on your automations pretty much every week to make sure they're working as they should. I suggest setting a 15-minute reminder on Fridays or even a day before. Just ask yourself, what drained my time this week? And then just pick one new thing to automate next. It's like giving yourself a weekly time bonus. Now, Emily, one of my students, used to spend hours every morning just checking emails, tracking her clients, and even moving meetings around. Now, once she started using Superhuman, Zapier, and Calendly, she got those hours back very quickly. Now she knocks out her admin in just 30 minutes and spends the rest of her time actually growing her business. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to automate your content creation. Now, content creation is a very important part of growing your business, but it can actually take a bit of time. Now the good news is AI can make the whole process much easier and make it feel 10 times lighter for you. So you want to start your brainstorm with AI. So if you ever feel a bit stuck for ideas, you can open ChatGPT, copy AI or even Notion AI and ask for some content ideas around your niche. Now here is a simple prompt that you can actually use. Act as a social media strategist based on viral trends and popular topics from the last 7 days. Give me 20 fresh content ideas to grow my, then just insert your niche. Business on, then insert the platform you want, so whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook or anything else, and include a mix of educational, entertaining, personal and promotional ideas that align with what's trending right now in this niche. For each idea, give a short title, a 1-sentence description and a note which current trend or topic actually inspired it. So there's the prompt that you can actually use. Now you'll go from staring at a blank page to having 20 plus solid ideas in a few minutes. Now you also want to let AI write your first draft as well. So I always tell people, let AI write the rough draft and you can then bring the human touch afterwards. So tools like Jasper AI or Write Sonic can write blogs, captions or even emails that you can easily add your own human element to sound more like you. So you can just turn one piece of content into many different pieces. Now if you record videos or even podcasts, these are some great ideas. You can upload them into Cast Magic or even at AI tools like Descript. These tools will pull out the quotes, the highlights and even the best parts for you. And you'll have social posts, so you can turn one idea into a week's worth of content with just one idea or one video. Now you can also use AI to create your visuals as well, so don't stress about the design. Tools like Canva Magic Studio or even Piker Labs can make professional graphics or very short videos in just a few minutes. You're going to look like you hired a designer without actually hiring one. Now you can also edit your videos faster with AI as well, so you can try Opus Clip, Vido or even Qso, Quso, and they'll automatically clip long videos into short, punchy segments or clips for your TikTok and your Instagram Reels. You just need to upload the content once and AI finds the best moments for you. Now you want to make sure that your content is very searchable with SEO tools. So if you want Google to notice you, you want to be looking at Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer. They help you to write headlines and descriptions that actually help you to get more clicks. So you want to be tailoring your content to each platform as well. So you can actually use AI to rewrite the same message in a slightly different tone and a different way. So you could be having fun for Instagram, a more professional tone for LinkedIn and a more casual one for X. You're going to stay more consistent without sounding like AI. Now you can also batch your content creation, which is something I recommend you do. Now I recommend setting aside maybe 1 or 2 days for planning and then just let AI do the heavy lifting for you. That way you can actually schedule everything out for the week and actually relax for the rest of the time. Now Mark, as one of my students, used to spend 6 or 7 hours writing one blog post and actually dreaded his content days. Now once he started using Jasper, Canva Magic Studio and Opus Clip, he created 5 posts in just 2 to 3 hours. His content started looking more professional and now his audience sees him as a consistent and professional model, all thanks to AI doing the heavy lifting for him. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to automate your customer experience. Now your customers are your biggest asset, but responding to everyone manually can actually burn you out very quickly. So here's where AI makes things much more easier for you. You can add an AI chatbot to your website or your social media profiles, which is something I recommend you should do. If you're constantly answering the same questions, there are tools like Tidio, Manychat or Intercom which can actually handle that all for you. They can reply instantly even while you're asleep and only alert you when something is important. Now a chatbot like Manychat can completely transform how a business actually communicates with its audience by automating the entire customer experience, from the first interaction to the post-sale support. So just imagine someone messaging your business on Instagram, Facebook or somewhere else, or even on your website. Instead of waiting hours for a reply, they instantly get a very friendly, personalized response from your chatbot. Now, Manychat can guide them through product options, answer the FAQs, and even recommend specific items based on their preferences, all in real time as well. It can also capture very valuable lead information automatically, like names and emails, and even their interests, to help you build that email list. So you can actually sync all of this information directly with your autoresponder to build your email list. So you're building that audience even while you sleep. And to help you drive sales, Manychat can walk customers through your offers step by step. It can send them the checkout links and follow up on abandoned shopping carts, helping to turn casual browsers into paying buyers. Now, on the service side, it also handles repetitive questions such as the shipping details, appointment reminders, or even refund requests. This gives you a lot more time to do other things and focus on higher value conversations. And the best part is that every message feels personal and conversational and less robotic, giving your customers a very smooth, responsive experience that helps to build trust, drives more conversions, and keeps them wanting to come back. I also recommend to automate your welcome experience as well. So when someone joins your email list, you want them to feel seen right away. So you can use ConvertKit, MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, or even Brevo as your autoresponders to send an automatic welcome series that shares your story, your values, and your next steps. So you want to set up some welcome automations here as well for your email list. So you want to use AI to personalize the recommendations. Now, if you sell products or even digital products, you can try Shopify Magic or Line Chat. These AI tools basically analyze what customers look at or even buy. Then they recommend the right product. It's like having a very smart sales assistant working for you. I also suggest you follow up automatically as well. So if you've ever forgot to follow up with a few leads, you can just set it and forget it with HubSpot or Close.com. They'll actually send polite, personalized check-ins for you, so there's no more missed opportunities. So you can analyze feedback faster as well. AI tools like Monkey Learn or Thematic can actually read through all your reviews and your messages to find what customers really like or where they're a bit frustrated. That key insight helps you to make smarter business decisions going forward. I also suggest you think about simplifying support with smart ticketing. Tools like Zendesk AI or Freshdesk Freddy AI can actually organize and prioritize support tickets automatically for you. It means your most urgent issues get handled first and your customers get help much faster. So you want to be collecting testimonials automatically as well. I suggest using Podium or Trustpilot Automate to actually reach out to happy clients to get some reviews. You'll get consistent feedback without manually chasing anybody yourself. Now, I also recommend to build a searchable help center as well. So if you're a bit tired of answering the same how-to questions, you can use Help Juice AI or even Document 360 to create an FAQ center that basically updates itself. Your customers can find answers instantly and you'll have much more time to do other things. Now, Sarah, one of my students, runs an online course and was buried in student questions. After setting up Tidio, ConvertKit and Zendesk AI, so that's a chatbot, an autoresponder and a ticket response system, her students now get instant answers, her emails feel much more personal and automated, and she spends around 80% less time on customer support. Her students really love how responsive she is, and she didn't have to hire any extra help to do this. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to automate your business growth. Now, when you use AI for business growth, it's like giving your business a personal assistant who never really sleeps. You can start by looking at your analytics through AI. So you want to connect your accounts to Google Analytics, Intelligence, Fathom or Pencil AI. These AI tools will show you what's actually driving traffic or sales. So you can then just double down on what works. Now you also want to schedule your social media content as well to save more time and reach more people. So if posting on a daily basis feels a bit difficult, You can try Metrical, Buffer AI, Social Bee, or even Later.com to schedule the content out for you. Now, these AI tools will schedule your content, they will analyze your performance, and even suggest the best posting times to get more engagement. You also want to try spotting trends early as well, so keep an eye on exploding topics. So go to explodingtopics.com or even use Glass AI summaries to see what's becoming popular in your niche and in your industry. Now, when you're early to a trend, your audience sees you as the go-to expert, so that's the benefit of using trends. Now, I also suggest you send smarter emails with predictive AI as well. Platforms like ActiveCampaign, Have Predictive Sending, or OmniSend AI can actually figure out when your subscribers are most likely to open your emails. So in most autoresponders today, there are AI features that you can actually use to actually get better responses when you send out an email. This actually means better engagement without sending more messages. So you want to be looking out for the AI features in your autoresponders to improve the way you're sending emails to actually get more people to open your emails from your list. Now, you want to also try to automate your finances as well. So if spreadsheets make you cringe, you can use QuickBooks AI, Wave, or Zoho Books. They automatically categorize expenses, they track your income, and they even create simple reports for you so you can understand. So you want to create an AI dashboard. I recommend building one in Coda AI or even Notion AI. Notion AI is generally the one that you're going to have the best use with. You'll have all your key numbers, your sales, your engagement, and even your leads updated in real time, all in one place. So I recommend you do that in Notion AI. I also suggest to segment your customers automatically as well. So you can use Segment or OptiMove to group your customers by their behaviors or even their interests. It helps you to send offers that actually make sense for each person instead of generic blasts to your list. So this is a better way to actually do things and to actually optimize your list to make more money. Now, you want to build your personal AI assistant as well. So you can use ChatGPT, custom GPTs, or Claude projects. So that's ChatGPT, custom GPTs, or Claude projects to actually create a personal AI trained on your goals, your tone, and even your workflow. It can actually brainstorm, it can organize, and it can even plan your week like a digital partner. Now, David, one of my students, runs a small e-commerce store, and he used to guess what was actually working. Now, once he set up Buffer AI, QuickBooks, and a Notion AI dashboard, he actually saw his numbers very, very clearly. Now he makes decisions based on real-time data instead of just guessing. And now he's way less stressed running his online web store. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're ready to build your online business and create a sustainable online income, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the comments where you can find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and generating online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.